Chaplain Krista Hull, the founder of a nonprofit business called Redeem and Restore Center. Help support women as they rebuild their lives and start over. And those women specifically are women that have been exploited or trafficked. So they have been shattered in every way possible. So the home enables us to really come alongside women and provide everything they need to build a foundation without them having to deal with all the regular difficult things in life that will come later. So they will come for about 12 to 24 months, and that is really based off the individual. We support them as a whole person because physically, mentally, emotionally, relationally, and spiritually, they're all interconnected. Finances are always going to be a high priority. Volunteer using their skills is always a high priority, and I mean everything from operations to advocacy to maintenance. Being there for them and letting them know they still are valuable, there still is hope, and that they can be loved and are lovable.